I thought I was dead.
What a wicked man, lit the man and gone. What a wicked man. Jesus. Oh God. Somebody go help me. In dead. In dead. You're dead.
Yo, on my bike. On my bike. On my bike. On my bike there. Yo, on my bike. I need to go on mechanic. On my bike. Yo, on my bike there. Yo, on my bike. Yo, on my bike.
Look at that.
Yo, look at it. Mechanic.
Oh, I'm curious. What?
Yo,
Where do you have a boss?
we need some help.
Doctor?
No, my bike crashed down the road. When you come look on it for me there. Yo, I'm not even see it coming.
What you want, doctor?
No, man, I want the bike fixed. Yo, come.
What kind of bike?
It's a junker. You just come fix the bike.
What am I boss?
Yo, my head hurt me. Yo, come fix it.
Oh, wait, I don't mind you.
Yo, I'm not even that speed. Yo,
Come on, man.
you have to think time.
So, how are you about that?
See it there. You know how long I use it. Look, fix it for me now. Use it. Fix it for me now. Fix it. No, fix it.
Yes, I'm plumbing your arm. Don't waste time come out.
No, me I go pay you. Fix it now. Fix it. Oh, me I go ride my bike when I want to ride it.
Just plumbing your arm.
Hotbubbling TV, on the internet you see me. You don't have to pay no money, cause this comedy is for free.